Hi, I'm Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today I'm going to take you through what a sump pump repair service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule one with us. A well-functioning sump pump is essential to protect your home or business from flooding. When it needs attention, we're here to provide a fast and effective solution 24 hours a day. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. Signs of sump pump problems can include unusual sounds, constant running, or even water in the basement. We arrive equipped with the right tools to evaluate your sump pump's performance and identify the source of the issue. For sump pumps with water issues, we'll check for pump functionality and proper drainage. Safety is our top priority. Before we begin any sump pump repair work, we'll ensure the system is safely turned off. Depending on the problem, we may need to disassemble the sump pump to access and repair components like the float switch or impeller. For issues with the motor or power supply, we'll test and replace any damaged parts to ensure the sump pump functions effectively. After the repair, we'll turn the sump pump back on and thoroughly test it to ensure it's removing water efficiently. We'll also inspect the sump pump and discharge pipe for any signs of leaks and make adjustments if necessary. To prevent future sump pump issues, consider regular maintenance, including checking the float switch and keeping the pit free of debris. Thank you so much for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your sump pump repair needs. Your home or business's protection and your peace of mind are our top priorities, and we're here to be your guides to a 5-star service experience.